There's a 17-year-old kid in the AI community that I run in Vancouver that's built an AI Jarvis. He calls it a homemade Apple Vision Pro in a baseball cap. He essentially took like the LiDAR sensor from a Xbox Connect, and he took a BlackBerry Pi, and he took a little Bluetooth speaker and a tiny little camera, and he put them all into a baseball hat, wired it all up, and now he's running AIs on the Raspberry Pi. So he can literally stand there with his fancy robotic hat on and say, "Jarvis, what do you see?" And it'll say, "I see you on a film set with a camera pointed in your face and 3 people standing around wearing headphones." It's practically like Tony Stark's Iron Man deal, but it's made with like $200 worth of off-the-shelf components by a high schooler, you know? And he brought another friend to our meetup last month. This kid was amazing too. He built a translator that translates between deaf people and hearing people in real time. So it's computer vision that analyzes the ASL hand signs that the deaf person is making and then pops up the words on the screen right there. But then it also takes the other guy's voice and transmits it back into ASL hand signs made with the AI or whatever. And so these people are able to have a real-time conversation between hearing and not hearing people.